This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, orange chicken. My friend Angela, a true angel on earth, contacted me about a young friend who had relocated to Maryland from Memphis. She's a young artist who plays ocarina and loves to cook. She has many interests that my daughter and I share too. We all hit it off, and on top of all that, she's been incredibly supportive of the magic kitchen. She's a frequent customer, and we've collaborated on making this recipe she loves for orange chicken. It is so good, so delicious. Thanks, Athena, for making our kitchen magic. You should make this. Okay? Please help me welcome Athena to Mama Misha's Magic Kitchen. Hi, everyone. I've been saying we're going to make this orange chicken forever. And we finally got around to it. Where's the recipe?
I got it on a YouTube channel called Souped Up Recipes.
Thank you, Souped Up Recipes. We're about to dig in. Come on. Cheers.
Okay.
Thumbs up. This is delicious. Thanks, Athena.
You're welcome.
Let's eat.
I'll chip.